they are trying to loot the commonwealth of the masses, you know, with this type of thing? Because I don't know, Nigerians are not happy as regards what we are seeing.
Generally, I think what Atiku is saying, there are iota of truths in what he's saying. I live in Lagos for many years. I think I'm in Lagos State getting to 30 years now. So every behavior of Lagos State government I know. And Tinubu, I was here when Tinubu won election in 1999, and he ruled until he stepped down in 2007 for Fachola, Babatunde Fachola. See, let me tell you, the reason why Atiku is ranting is that coastline project is to what? Goop almost 1 trillion. No, which 1 trillion? 50 something, 15 trillion. And I'm telling you that it's a project that everybody knows that is not going to go straight for 8 years. Even if Tinubu will be here the next tenure, that's for the next 4 years after this term, it's going to run for over 10 years, that project. Because you know Nigerian way, so much government delay, so much government bureaucratic red tape. See, they are going to waste time on that project until that money goes into various private accounts and pockets. So, which is why I'm trying to believe you that Seyi Tinubu, being board of trustee within that project, must have his company must be among the people that will partake in that project. So the money is going to some part Tinubu's family, some part all the what? Erudite politicians in Nigeria, I mean APC members. It's left for the Arab contractor or the Julius Bergers or Caterpillar to execute it, and surely they are the one that will do the job. But how many are the egunjes overinflated amount within that project? Nigeria is going to lose billions to these political profiteers, racketeers, dwindlers that are trying to gang up against Nigerians to suck us of our commonwealth. See, Tinubu is among. Seyi Tinubu is among. Gospel Abobio, they are among. All of them, the whole APC members, they have come to teach Nigeria how to embezzle public fund, directly or indirectly. See, let me tell you, that project is a project that should have gone too far to execute, and the whole country will know the detailing, the index of the data, payment data, everything about that project is supposed to be made public. Transparency is it, so that nobody should be aggrieved, so that nobody whose property is destroyed should go to court. But look at the way they are doing it. They are marking all the buildings along the coastal line for demolition. And are they, the owners, going to get what? Compensation for their facilities or buildings or properties that are on the line here?
They say they took
to pay them back.
They've budgeted 2.5 billion.
Oh God, they say this is government. They say government. I don't believe them say government. APCs, government of them say, they say, he say, we think. Government of them say, we say. Oh God, I don't believe them say. Tell me who said it. Yes, tell me who said it. Government of them say they are going to compensate the property owners. It's a blatant lie. Nobody, until we've seen it with our eyes. Until we see, we don't believe. Them say, he say, Oga, until we see, we believe. Until action starts, we can never be convinced. Conviction is action. Demonstration is an action and it should be believed. So a government that is leveraging on, them say refinery will work on December. Them say the refinery is going to work next year. Government of them say is a government of irregularity, government that is so incompetent, a government that should not be trusted, a government that is suppressing, oppressing, and exploiting its citizen, the entire citizen. Okay, I don't believe that project is going to goop trillions, and Tinubu will be smiling home. Tinubu and his cohorts. We've known all of them as people that can never stand firm in their promises and fulfill what they promise the members of the public. See, I'm telling you, we are all waiting to see the fulfillment of all the political promises from APC as a political party platform. Thank you.
You don't see them, completing that project within 8 years of
completed in recent time. It's not going to be a recent completion. It's going to take time. It's going to take serious time for the completion of that project because of the kind of government we have in place now. I'm telling you the truth.
And do you not think they should have, different construction companies should have bidded, for that project? Because it's a very humongous project, and it's something that different companies also have, dropped their proposal or made their proposal.
It is not like that. The people that will do the project, they are in place already, and these people are the ones that are executing and implementing other projects across the country. They are the ones cutting away the overinflated amount. No project under this government that is not overinflated. Go and do your visibility studies. All projects, that very one, coastal line, overinflated. And Tinubu has placed all his cronies, all his errand boys, errand men, companies, ghost companies, all of them are lining up now because they are going to be the beneficiaries of such, let me call it, fictitious project. It's a fictitious project in the sense that we've not known how far it's going to take. We don't know the companies that come forward to do what? To ask to be part of that project. We don't know. So that's why we cannot believe. It's not a project that we can believe. We cannot believe that.
Okay, and I don't know why the Lagos State they decided to deport, Osun State, indigenous Osun State, Osun. I don't know because since they are from the West, I don't know what matter really caused that. But I think someone has come out to deny that he was not aware of this. Yes.
And see, let me tell you, if that thing happened, something like that happened, the position of Osun State citizens, even I was saying Ekiti citizens, you understand, indigenous of Ekiti were deported. I was, it was speculated in the morning time, but this time around you are saying Osun State indigenous were deported to Osun State. Let me tell you, it is like it is like a fiction. I tell you that such can never be a true story. Because I know that this land, we are in the southwestern Nigeria. Though there's a conflicting issue whether Edos, Benis are the owner of this land, and we've seen the fact that Benin and Yoruba, they have been relating well for many years. So come what may, the protection of Fortune State indigenes back to their states, I think is a big error if it actually happened. It's a big error. If it actually happened, it's a very big error. Yes, I'm telling you that deportation is something I believe is too wrong. How could you deport a Yoruba man from his land to where? It's just deporting somebody from his village to another village in Yoruba land. Because the deportation occurs in Lagos, occurred now in Lagos State. The people involved are from the same Yoruba land. So it is nonsensical sense of nonsense. It is a nonsense. It doesn't make sense at all. Deporting someone from Lagos to Osun State, and mostly is Osun indigenes that have been ruling Lagos State since its inception in 1967. From 1967 till now, most of the governors of Lagos State are from Osun. Fachala we're talking about, Osun State. Tinubu claim is from Osun. Babajide, what's the name of this man? Akuwumi Ambode claims. Okay, so no need of deporting somebody from Yoruba land to Yoruba land. It doesn't make sense. There are many things going on in this government that doesn't make sense. That don't make sense. So what happened now is that someone should come out and testify to this rubbish. Because if not well clarified, I think it's bad. Since the inception of Lagos, I've known that it's Osun State. That Lagos State, governor comes from. Most of the governors in this state are from Osun State. Why deporting Osun indigenes to Osun State? That is madness. I believe that's just a mere speculation or rumor. Because I've never seen it like that as a reality. So that's why I still believe that someone who should come and talk. Failure to talk, they will take it up against him. Lawyers, where are the Yoruba legal erudites? Have they gone into hiding? I think they talk saying that them they read law pass. Then they go tackle someone, take him to the court of justice. He should explain the reason why those Osun indigenes were deported back to Osun State. It's too wrong. Someone should come and testify to the members of the public. Thank you.